Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to work double crochet rows with nice even edges. There are two ways that people usually work double crochet rows and both end up with ugly edges. One method is to do a chain 2 that does not count as a stitch, but then you end up with these bumpy edges. The other way is to do a chain 3 that does count as a stitch, but then you end up with these gaps. So let me teach you the method I came up with to have nice smooth edges. Each row begins with a chain 2 that does not count as a stitch. Then half double crochet across as usual. Once you get to your last stitch, you're going to work a double crochet decrease or double crochet 2 together into the last stitch and into your chain 2 space. So yarn over, insert your hook into that next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, insert your hook into the chain 2 space, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through all loops. Doing that decrease closes the gap and avoids the lumps that you usually get. So chain 2 and turn your work. Chain 2 does not count as a stitch, so you work your first double crochet into that end stitch there where you made your chain 2. Work across the row as usual. Stop when you get to the last stitch. Make your decrease into the last stitch of the row and into the chain 2 space. That's how you get nice even rows when you work double crochet. Now you don't only have to do this with double crochet. For example, my Atlantean Dreams pullover has double crochet rows followed by single crochet rows. So you can do the same thing with your single crochet. You'll just work a single crochet decrease into the last stitch of the row. So you just make a single crochet decrease into the last stitch of the row and into the chain 2 space. And you'll still end up with the nice even edges. Thank you for watching.